Hi YouTube, and welcome to the second part of making your computer faster. Now this method is not a permanent option. Well, it can be a permanent option, but it's not advised because it has to do with Windows updates. You are going to disable your Windows updates, and this specifically works best for Windows 7. Now please note that it's best to keep your updates on, but if you temporarily want to make your computer faster, for example when you want to format your computer and first of all back up your computer and it is extremely slow, do this with the first method in part 1 and part 2 together. Please also note that it is advisable for your Windows updates to always be on to fix bugs and to keep your system secure. Let's continue. First, you're going to right click on your taskbar. You're going to press Task Manager. Then you're going to go on Services, Open Services. Then you're going to click on any of the services and press W. Look for Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update. Stop the service. After that, you're going to Properties and you're going to disable the service. Apply and OK. This will make the computer faster, but as I said, this is a last option. It's not something you want to do on a permanent basis, as your computer won't be as secure as it should be when you disable it. Windows updates always needs to be on. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.